Welcome to this tutorial on how to see news in Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to access and utilize the news feature in the Thinkorswim trading platform by TD Ameritrade, helping you stay informed about the latest market developments. To get started, open your Thinkorswim application and log into your account. Once you are in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar. Look for the Market Watch tab and click on it. Under this section, you will find various options. Click on the News option to access a dedicated news feed that covers a wide range of topics including stocks, ETFs, and market trends. Once the news section is open, you can customize the news feed to suit your needs. You can select specific stocks to receive news updates by entering the ticker symbol in the search bar. Additionally, you can filter the news by categories such as top news, earnings reports, or economic news. This lets you focus on the information that is most relevant to your trading strategy. Finally, make sure to explore the different settings within the news section. You can set alerts for specific events or changes in the market so that you never miss critical information. By utilizing the news feature effectively, you can enhance your trading decisions and stay ahead in the fast-paced world of finance. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!